Welcome to AutoMaster, your ultimate destination for everything that defines innovation, performance, and the future of supercars. Today we're diving into one of the most extreme and revolutionary hypercars of our time, the 2025 Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of engineering, speed, and design, all built in America with a vision that redefines what a hypercar can be. The Czinger 21C is not just a name, it's a statement. The 21-foot stands for the 21st century, and the C symbolizes Czynger's mission to challenge convention. The Blackbird Edition takes this concept even further, being the most aggressive, performance-focused version of the already radical 21C lineup. Born in Los Angeles and crafted using advanced additive manufacturing technologies like 3D printing, this car is a symbol of innovation and raw, unapologetic performance. From the moment you see the Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition, it doesn't look like anything else on the road, and that's by design. The exterior is sculpted not by traditional designers but by artificial intelligence, using performance data and aerodynamics as the core foundation. It looks like something from a sci-fi film, low, wide, razor-sharp, and full of functional carbon fiber. The bodywork is shaped to slice through air with minimal drag while maximizing downforce, especially with the extended front splitter, massive rear diffuser, and a towering, active rear wing. The Blackbird Edition dials it all up with a more aggressive aero kit, carbon accents, and a unique matte black finish that gives it its stealth fighter look. The seating layout is perhaps one of the boldest elements, a tandem configuration, where the driver sits in the center and the passenger sits directly behind. It feels more like a fighter jet than a car, and that's exactly the intention. This allows the car to have a narrower frontal profile, improving aerodynamics and reducing weight. Step inside and you're met with minimalism, carbon fiber everywhere, a digital display, and precision controls, all focused on the driver. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the driver, lives a 2.88-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine developed entirely in-house by Czinger, paired with two electric motors powering the front wheels. The combined output? A jaw-dropping 1,350 horsepower in standard form, but the Blackbird Edition pushes the boundaries further with tuning upgrades that can reach even higher power figures. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds and hits a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars on Earth. The hybrid powertrain doesn't just bring speed, it offers torque vectoring, efficiency, and dynamic handling in a way that pure combustion cars simply can't match. It's not just about straight-line speed either. The Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition has broken lap records, thanks to its lightweight construction, cutting-edge suspension system, and aerodynamic downforce. The chassis is a 3D printed aluminum structure that is incredibly light yet rigid, paired with advanced carbon monocoque architecture. This allows the car to maintain control at extreme speeds, hug corners with confidence, and stop on a dime with its high-performance carbon ceramic brakes. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity comes at a price. The Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition is expected to cost around $2.3 million USD, and only a very limited number will ever be made. Each car is built to order, tailored to the owner's preferences, and assembled using state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques that simply don't exist anywhere else in the world. So, what's the real selling point of the 2025 Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition? It's the perfect fusion of human ingenuity and AI-driven engineering. It's a symbol of where performance meets technology, where old-school V8 muscle meets electric innovation, and where design is dictated by function rather than tradition. This car isn't just about going fast, it's about rewriting the rulebook. Thanks for watching AutoMaster. If you're as fascinated by the future of hypercars as we are, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you the most powerful, innovative, and rare vehicles the world has to offer. See you in the next video.